Got a BFA file from Battlefield 1942 modding? This is a game archive containing assets from the classic World War II shooter. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to work with these Battlefield 1942 game archive files. I've reserved the ultimate tool for the end. It's the kind of magic application that knows how to handle almost any BFA file. Let's try the simple solutions first. A .bfa file is a game data archive used by the classic first-person shooter, Battlefield 1942. Users, typically modders or advanced players, encounter these files when trying to access or modify game assets like textures, sounds, or maps. The primary intent is to extract or replace content to customize the game. The .bfa format is a proprietary binary container, essentially a package of game assets. It was designed by DICE to consolidate numerous smaller files into a single archive for faster loading times and easier management during development. The structure likely contains a file table index, followed by the raw data blocks. Battlefield 1942 from Digital Illusion CE DICE should be your first choice when attempting to open BFA. Windows cannot fully extract this archive type, requiring dedicated extraction software. Windows cannot parse game-specific formats, so handling these files requires engine tools. To force access, right-click your BFA file and select Open With. If Battlefield 1942 is an option, test it. If it's not available, choose another program. We are trying to find the specific compatibility bridge. If your BFA file will not open, do not worry. Understanding the failure makes the fix easier. Before we use the universal tool, let's examine the common technical reasons behind this persistent error. First, extracting with WinRFA. Download WinRFA from Battlefield 1942 modding community sites like Battlefield Single Player. Launch WinRFA and use File then Open to load the BFA archive. WinRFA displays archive contents enabling extraction of individual files or complete archives for examination and modification of Battlefield 1942 game assets. Next, modding with BC42. Use Battlefield 1942 modding tools like BC42 Battlecraft 1942, the official map and modding tool from EA. Battlecraft provides comprehensive Battlefield 1942 modding capabilities, including BFA archive management. Create new maps, modify game assets, and package custom content for distribution through Battlefield 1942 server hosting. Finally, sharing modded content. Distribute Battlefield 1942 modifications through community sites like ModDB or Battlefield 1942 dedicated modding forums. Package custom BFA archives with installation instructions and credit original asset creators. Test modifications thoroughly before distribution, ensuring compatibility with Battlefield 1942 versions and respecting EA's terms regarding game modifications. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like FileMagick, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagick.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.